This is my Morse Code generator circuit, the simplest communication system there is. What it consists of, it is the most simplest communication device there is. Just an LED, a resistor, and a button. And some wires and a power supply. That's all you need to communicate. When I press this button, that LED will light up over there. And I'm going to go on the other side and press this button. That lights up. This is the precursor to modern communication systems and protocols, since all it is just a pulsing signal. When I press the button here, it sends a voltage down one of the wires in the cable to light up the LED. Same with that side, same with this one. If I press the button over there, a voltage gets sent down the green wire, and this indicator lights up, completes the circuit, and lights up the LED. This is about a 5-foot cable, or yeah, I think it's about 5 feet or 10 feet of cable. This is it can actually go, it's actually sensitive enough to, you can put one of these in your room and then put that one in another room, and then you got some Morse code communication going on. So that's all we have for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are in the description. Goodbye.